Hello everyone. Guys, I'd like to go over this practice test. I'm hoping that you have already tried it at least once. All right, just to get ready for the test. The test is very much like this. All right, I tried to keep the questions in the same order. All right, this first one is about the bag. 26 red, 38 green, 32 yellow, 29 purple. You have to add all those up. 125 pencils in the bag. So this is saying the probability that we choose one that's green, 38 green divided by 125, I get 30%, okay? Purple, 29 purple over 125, I get 23%, okay? Next one, guys, Q and R, independent events. Remember, when they're independent, we're looking for and. You multiply them together. Just multiply these two numbers together. All right, remember, you multiply the numerators together, the denominators together. You can cancel out the 7s, 3 over 8, okay? All right, next one, guys, mutually exclusive or. Mutually exclusive or, you add them up. All right, you get two fractions, you want to add them up. Guys, you need a common denominator, which is 20. I got 13 over 20. Okay, when I add those two fractions up. All right, the next one, guys, is a Venn diagram. A union C. I shaded A and C together. That's all these together. Then we want to know everything I shaded with my pencil here. Intersect B. What does it have in common with B? Well, that's green right here. It's W and X and Z, or WZX, right here. Okay? All right, guys, remember about adding up two dice. Right, for 7, there's 6 ways to do it. 8, there's 5 ways. 9, there's 4 ways. And 10, there's 3 ways. There's 3 ways to get a 10. Remember, there's 36 total rolls in the dice. 3 ways to get a 10. 3 divided by 36, I got 0.08. That's 8%, okay? Question 6 is theoretical. Probability, just use the numbers they give you. 75 rolls, that goes on the bottom. How many times did they roll a 5? The roll of 5 is right here. 10 times they rolled 5. So it's 10 over 75. I got 13%. That's right here, okay? All right, this next one is the table. This is conditional probability. All right, of the people who like pizza, how many of those also chose trivia? Just the trivia goes on top, 8. Pizza on the bottom, 44. Remember, pizza rolls is right here, 44. Of those, 8 like Trivial Pursuit, okay? I divided that, I got 18%. Right here. All right, this is another box with pencils in there. 3 plus 9 is 12 pencils. All right, these are dependent events. You have to multiply these two together. The first choice, there's 9 pencils that are yellow out of 12. But the second pick, there's only 8 yellow ones left and 11 pencils left for the second pick. Remember how this goes down from 9 to 8, from 12 to 11? Multiplying together, I got 6 over 11 after I simplified, okay? It's right here. All right, this is Eaton School again, or Exton School. 70% of the boys play baseball, and 30% play baseball and football. That's how you can tell that goes on top. Baseball and football, 30%. Football and baseball, 30% goes on top. The other number, the boys that play baseball alone, goes on the bottom. That gives us this conditional probability. Divide that up, I got 0.43. It's 43%, okay? All right, guys, this is Sarah, the pizza parlor. She get a large or a medium, so that's 2. 1 of 5 different toppings, that's 5. And 4 choices of crust, that's 4. Multiply those 3 numbers together. Okay? And that's the fundamental counting principle. All right. How many ways can I arrange 5 books on a shelf? It's 5 factorial. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just multiply them together, I get 120. All right. We're arranging all the books on the shelf. So just to use all of them. Next one, very similar. This just says, what's 6 factorial? And 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All right, I got 720. All right, number 13 is a permutation. Order does matter because president, treasurer, secretary, order does matter. It's a permutation. All right, a group of 6. How many arrangements of 3 can I make? So start with 6 and list the first 3 terms in the factorial. 6 times 5 times 4. 120. 6 can be president, and then 5 can be vice president, or I'm sorry, treasurer, and 4 can be secretary. All right, number 14 is a combination. Vanessa packing her bag. She's got 5 books, only 2 fit in her bag. All right, so this is a combination. 5, from 5, pick 2. From 5, how many groups of 2 can I make? Remember, that's the same as 5 permutate 2. The permutation on top divided by 2 factorial. Whatever that number is, 2 factorial. So 5p2 is 5 times 4. 2 factorial is just 2. 5 times 4 divided by 2, I get 10. All right, the last 2, I'm running out of time here. Guys, in a permutation, order does matter. Yes, that's true. True or false? A permutation is an ordered combination. Yes. A permutation is an ordered combination. Yes. Okay, guys, good luck with the test. Why don't you use this as you take the test? All right, have both windows open. It'll probably help you. All right, if you have any questions, go ahead and email me or just ask me, okay? Thanks.